right, everybody, today is May 16th, 2022, and as always, welcome back to Southeast South Dakota. So you may not recognize where we're at. You may not. It's a fat chance either way. But we've been to this farm before. This is a little further south of us. So we're down here at Kelly's farm, and I filmed Kelly actually filling that silage bag last August. They were running silage on this field and then back behind the place. So I was filming for them there, and then I filmed a harvest video for him, and that was with that 4960 on that grain cart. So he's actually out here planting today with his 1760 planter and his new 8220 John Deere, which is a pretty sweet rig, I must say. So I just got some drone footage of him running on this side of the ditch here on the hill. We're gonna head over down a little further south. We're gonna catch him and we're gonna hop in the cab and see how things look from inside the tractor cab. So without further ado, let's get going. What do you got for a monitor there?
Okay, this is Ag Leader 1200 in command. It's Ag Leader's latest and greatest. So I map it on my screen here. The planter is green and we're planting, and I got it set at 34,000. Now this one has two predetermined ones that I can set, and I've got the top one at 31 and the bottom at 34. And we're right down here against the waterway planting. So if I got mine set up in 500 increments. So if we want to go all the way to 35,000, or I just kind of got to tap the button.
Sure.
And then it goes.
Okay.
And then
so you've got Ag Leader. What else do you have in here?
Okay, so that's on a hydraulic drive.
That's on hydraulic.
Yeah. And then I got my clean sweep here. This controls my row cleaners up and down.
So you've got that on air hydraulics?
Yep, air cylinders.
Yep, or the air cylinders, yeah. So you can raise and lower them as you need them, and then
I got it set right now where I'm running them right in the middle and neutral. But this field, we cut silage on it, and whatever we didn't cut, we rolled up for cornstalk bedding, and then we hauled manure back on it. So we worked the manure in, and it's just wet, or it was tough enough conditions wise that we just dissed it and then soil finished it. But it's a little dry, so that's kind of why I'm running the row cleaners down, just moving a little bit of the fluff out of the way to make sure the seeds get the decent moisture.
Sure. Yeah, it's definitely gotten really dry really fast. I think the temperatures and then all that wind we've had has really kind of dried it up.
And here at my location, the last couple rains, we haven't had as much as just a little bit west of here, about 10-15 miles. It's been a little bit shorter.
Yeah, I've noticed a lot of areas either get a bunch or just get a little.
So as we're coming into the headland here, you can watch the screen, and the rows will start shutting off as I hit these other rows I've already planted. So once the whole thing is gray, that means I'm not planting. And then as I put the planter down,
all your rows turn green again.
They'll turn on as they fire on. The outside two rows are connected together on each end of the planter, and then every row in between 3 through 10 is all on individual.
There you go. Now you got all 12 planting.
Yep.
Very cool. We've only got two clutches. We got the left side and the right side of the planter, so it's just kind of all or nothing, basically.
Yep. That's the way ours used to be set up. So.
Yeah. Well, I told them we should do something like the two every two, and then it would be a little simpler if we got everything hooked up. Then we could do the automatic row shut off and whatnot. Well, there he goes. He's getting this field done tonight and calling it quits. So I hope you guys liked looking at that ag leader monitor and all those precision planting gadgets he's got on there. Very interesting to look at compared to our setup. It's actually quite a bit more advanced, and I really like to look at ag leaders. They always catch my attention because they're pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wanted to thank Kelly for letting me come out here while he's planting and getting a nice video of his 8220 and 1760 12 row, along with all his nice precision planting technology. So yeah, with that, I think I'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.